How to add friends in Apex Legends. Say you have a friend you want to party up with, but you still haven't added them as a friend. What you have to do first is make sure if they are on console, make them enable cross-platform play if they haven't enabled it yet. If they are on PC, disregard this step since PC version automatically mixes the platform. After that, you go to the top left corner here, below your XP and level. You click this logo right here. Alternatively, you can press F2 and it will take you to the friends list right away. What you have to do next is go down to the bottom here and click on Find Friend. After clicking that, you have to type in your friend's name exactly how they have it. So let's say this one. After that, it's just a matter of clicking their name to add them as a friend, and then wait for them to accept your friend request. That is how you find friends in Apex Legends.